What are we doing with these edges, Kafi? I don't know. So my braids are looking absolutely this is not what I asked for when I asked to get my hair done. I'll show you a picture of what I asked for, and this is what I got. You know, I literally look like my hair is sparse or she was running out of hair or something in the middle there. Not great. I mean, the braiding style is really nice, but this looks a little bit crazy to me. So I have super tough edges. Like I said, I don't have baby hair, I have just adult hair. Let's get this transformation started. First, I'm gonna start off with this got to be glued gel. This is some serious gel, and I'm gonna apply it to this edge brush. And this thing, it feels like literal plastic. I'm going to just apply that. Look at that, resistant. My hair is just like me. It is resistant. This braiding experience was so interesting because my girlfriend and I drove to, I don't know how to say it, like a rough part of the woods. Like, we drove to the ghetto.
I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
Okay, we drove to the ghetto to get my hair done. We didn't bother going to Washington DC, which has a lot of really good braiders because there were a lot of protests going on there that day. We went to this braider because she ordinarily does really good work. We went to this braider. It was a little bit of a nightmare because she started off braiding and I told her, I want this, you're doing it kind of small. She was like, don't worry, I got you covered, you know. And I was like, yeah, okay. I mean, ordinarily the lady does really good work. I like the idea of supporting. She's a mom with 3 children, a 13-year-old, two 4-year-olds. This lady kept yelling at her kids. She was like yelling to the top of her voice, and she kept yelling and like picking up a hanger, a wooden hanger. No more hanger! Threatening to hit the 4-year-olds and like yelling at the 13-year-old to feed the kids. And you know, a couple times I looked over and the 13-year-old is like straight up shoveling big pieces of food in the twins' mouth. One of the children, I don't know if she had too much to eat or she just wasn't eating, like her mouth was completely full and the girl kept like shoving more food, and I forgot myself for a second, but I was like, hey, chill out, you're gonna choke her. And the girl looked at me like, and I was just like, what is happening? I feel like I was aiding and abetting a really bad situation, to be honest. Like, what would you do? Like, do you involve yourself? I don't know, it was tough because I just felt like it was an all-around frustrating situation for the 13-year-old, a frustrating situation for the mom, not to mention the 2 4-year-olds. The 13-year-old was trying to help her mom because, by the way, she helped braid my hair. She was like in between taking care of her twin siblings and helping her mom braid my hair and doing laundry. The entire time I was there, basically that mother, while she was braiding my hair, she was yelling at her kids, yelling at the eldest one to go get the laundry, fold the clothes, look after the kids, feed the kids, go wipe their butts. It was an interesting situation. Lord help me, what am I doing with these adult hairs? What's happening here? I think it's just time to take these braids out. Like, that's what's happening. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to do a Beyonce special with this hair. Flip this hair forward.
Swear I was in a nightmare searching in the dark, but
you guys, I see all these super cute braiding styles. I can't do them because even though my braids are like 2 or 3 weeks old, it still hurts. Do you have a summer hairstyle? I mean, do you have a summer hairstyle that's a go-to? Because ordinarily I have a couple wigs I like to rock with, or I'll get my hair pressed out. Box braids I like, but the pain, man. I have a really sensitive scalp. You would see in my previous videos, I'm very lazy when it comes to my hair. What are we doing with these edges, Kafi? I don't know. The other thing, this lady, she was like straight up like picking at my hair. I wouldn't doubt it if basically my hair is completely damaged after this session. I remember thinking to myself, I should have brought my own blow dryer, my own combs, because the whole situation was just interesting because comb was like her comb, yeah, one comb. her comb was broken. She had this blow dryer, like when she was blow drying it kept flipping off, and part of me wanted to like donate a blow dryer to her, and the other part of me wanted to get up and run. I think I sat there with the hope that this hairstyle is going to be dope. Have you ever done that before? You can feel like things not going right with your hairstyle, but you just sit there and hope that your hair is going to turn out fabulous no matter how you're feeling right now, right? So I think this is as cute as these edges are going to get. So I'm going to tie that down. Say your prayers for me that this is going to work out.
Last night, as I watched you walk away from me, how could I let you leave? How could I let you leave?
I think I'm gonna wash my hands because this is like really, really sticky.